Some popular Agile frameworks and methodologies include Scrum, Kanban, Extreme Programming, and Lean Agile. Each of these approaches has its own set of practices and roles, but they all share the common Agile principles of adaptability and customer centricity. So, what is Scrum? Scrum is an Agile framework for managing and developing products, particularly in software development. It provides a structured approach to iterative and incremental product development. Here's an explanation of the key elements of Scrum. Like roles, Scrum Master. The Scrum Master is responsible for ensuring that the Scrum process is followed correctly. They facilitate Scrum events, remove impedance, and protect the team from external distraction. Their primary goal is to support the team in achieving its objectives. Product Owner. The product owner represents the stakeholders, customers, and users. They are responsible for defining and prioritizing the product backlog, which contains all the work that needs to be done on the project. The product owner collaborates with the team to ensure that product right features are developed and developed. The development team consists of self-organizing and cross-functional members responsible for turning the product backlog items into a potentially shippable product increment. They collaborate closely with the product owner and Scrum Master to develop the product in iterations called sprints. Ceremonies. Sprint planning. At the beginning of each sprint, the team holds a sprint planning meeting. During this meeting, they decide on the work they will complete during the sprint and create a sprint goal. Daily stand-up. The daily stand-up is a short daily meeting where team members provide updates on their progress, discuss any obstacles, and plan their work for the day. Sprint review. At the end of each sprint, the team presents the complete work to stakeholders and gathers feedback. The product owner reviews the progress against the sprint goal and may adjust the product backlog based on feedback. Sprint retrospective. After each sprint review, the team holds a sprint retrospective, reflect on their progress, teamwork, and effectiveness. They identify what went well and what can be improved, making adjustments for future sprint. Now let's look at what is Kanban. Kanban is an agile methodology that focuses on visualizing work and optimizing the flow of work items through a process. It's often used in environments with continuous delivery requirements and for teams that need a flexible approach to managing their workload. The key elements of Kanban include visual board. Kanban uses a visual board to represent the workflow and the progress of work items. Work items are represented as cards or sticky notes, and columns represents different stages of the workflow, such as to do, in progress, and done. Focus on continuous flow. Kanban emphasizes maintaining a smooth and continuous flow of work. Work items move through the workflow without waiting for specific time box iterations as in Scrum. Limiting work items. Kanban use work in progress limits to restrict the number of work items allowed in each column. This prevents overloading the team and helps identify bottlenecks in the process. Now let's look at extreme programming. Extreme programming is an agile methodology that focuses on technical excellence and collaboration. It aims to produce high quality software and emphasizes practices that enhance development speed and customer satisfaction. Key elements of extreme programming include emphasis on technical practices. Extreme programming places significant importance on technical practices like pair programming, where two developers work together at one computer, and test-driven development, TDD, where tests are written before the code is implemented. Frequent releases like XP advocates for frequent releases of small valuable increments. This ensures that the software is delivered to customers frequently, allowing for quick feedback and adjustment. And then there's continuous integration. Stream programming promotes continuous integration where code changes are integrated into the main code frequently. This ensures that integration issues are discovered and resolved quickly. Okay, the fourth Agile methodology is Lean Agile. Probably some of you have heard of it, Lean Agile. What is Lean Agile? Lean Agile is an approach that combines the principles of Lean and Agile methodologies. It focuses on streamlining processes to maximize value delivery to customers while minimizing waste. Key aspects of Lean Agile include combining Lean and Agile principles. Lean principles originated in manufacturing and focuses on efficiency, waste reduction, and value stream optimization. Lean Agile combines these principles with Agile methodologies, adaptability, and customer centricity. Streamlining processes. Lean Agile aims to optimize the entire value stream from idea to product delivery. It identifies and limits long value adding activities to create a more efficient and effective workflow. Maximizing value. Lean Agile prioritizes the delivery of value to customers. It encourages the continuous improvement and customer feedback to ensure that the product meets customer needs and expectations.